Dear students, last class we have discussed the financial expert background and novelist background. Both we have discussed in the previous class. In this class, I will explain the which are the major characters, uh, which are the major characters were introduced in the novel Financial Expert. Okay. R.K. Narayan, R.K. Narayan was introducing the major or important characters were the first one Margaya. Okay. Before I will explain the characters, okay, when we look at the title of the novel, the Financial Expert novel. Okay, last class also we have discussed the Financial Expert novel title. In this class also I will explain financial expert. Okay, what do you mean by financial expert? Financial expert means one who become an expert in the financial matters. Okay, here Margaya, the first character is Margaya. Margaya is the protagonist of the novel. Okay, here Margaya is a hero. Protagonist means hero of the novel. Okay, novels means which novel? The financial expert novel. He is financial expert. Margaya is considered as a financial expert. Expert means one who become an expert in the financial matter. Here, he provides financial consulting services. He provides a financial consultation which is related to the financial problems to the people. Okay, he serves the people who are who have a financial problems. Okay, who do not have any knowledge in the financial matter. Margaya was helping them. Here his office means Margaya office is spot under the banyan tree. He was working under the banyan tree. Though a combination of skills and wealth, he expands his money lending business and gains a considerable wealth. Okay, his main intention is to be he wanted to become a very good rich person in the society. He wanted to become a rich person in the society. So that's why he was using his skills, whatever the skills he has in the financial matter, whatever the skills he had in the financial matter, he was using the skills, and he was starting the money lending business under the banyan tree. Okay, one thing I repeat it once. Margaya was a protagonist or hero of the novel Financial Expert novel. He was considered as a financial expert, and he was doing the money lending business under the banyan tree. Okay, his office is located in the town of Malagudi. The next thing, Meena. Okay, Meena, the next character, Meena. Meena is Margaya's wife. She was innocent, where he is a slave. Okay, she was a innocent girl. Meena was a innocent girl. Okay, she is a subordinated to his schemes and verbal abuse. Okay, Margaya was using abusive words on his wife. Okay, Margaya scolded his wife in every time and every day using the abusive words. Okay, next, her submissive. Okay, she did not raise her voice against her husband. Okay, she did not raise voice against her husband. Okay, so that's why he would encash. She was a submissive. He would encash that opportunity, and he would take an advantage from her, and then He did not follow any morality in the society. Generally enables her husband unscruples means there is no moral value. He did not bother about anyone also. Margaya did not follow any moral virtues and morality of the society. His main intention is to be he wanted to become a rich and he wants to earn the money. Okay, he was thinking in the uh, financial matter only, commercial purpose only he was thinking. Okay, the notable exceptions is when she is propelled to action over concern for their son Balu and goes to Madras looking for him. Okay, one day there was a quarrel between father and son, Balu and Margaya. One day there was a quarreling between father and son, quarreling between the father and son. That time Balu was leaving the home. Okay, she was searching for him. She ready to search her son in Madras. Okay, she would take a decision. She did not ask any permission from her husband. Okay, this is the dare thing. The another character is Balu. Okay, Margaya's and Meena's son. Balu was Margaya and Meena's son. Okay, grows into an irresponsible. Here Balu characters. Okay, here I will explain. Here I am explaining the Balu characters. Okay, what kind of person he is. Balu grows into an irresponsible, unmotivated youth in part of because of their indulgent attitude. Okay, when he was in the childhood, he behaves in an indulgent manner, indulgent attitude. Okay, indulgent means satisfaction attitude. Whatever he wants in his childhood, okay, he has done. Same as it is that childhood was the main reason for Balu becoming unmotivated. No one can motivated him when he was in the childhood. And he did not take any responsibility of his family. Okay, he was an irresponsible fellow, unmotivated youth. And Balu behaves very cruelty, and Balu rash behavior is not limited to his own life. Okay, Balu rash behavior is not limited to his life. Instead of, as he destroys his father business also. Okay, he did not destroy himself also. Instead of that, he destroyed his father's business records. Okay, that time the parents were decided to make the marry. Parents were decided to his son will make the marry. That time he will be okay. That's why parents will organize the marriage of Balu, but marriage does not change his habits. Okay, he has a bad habits. Marriage does not change his habits, as he fails to support his family. Okay, he did not take any responsibility of his family also. He did not earn anything also. How he helped this family? So therefore he was fails to support his family. His father's efforts to change his trajectory contribute to Margaya's downfall. Here he was the main reasons. He was the main reasons for the Margaya downfall. Okay, the financial expert novel which